Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring an exciting topic for those over 50, how to thrive in the gig economy. Whether you're looking to supplement your income, transition from physically demanding work, or simply want more flexibility, the gig economy offers many opportunities. Let's dive in and discover how you can leverage your experience to find less physically demanding work and potentially retire early or make life a bit easier. First, let's understand what we mean by the gig economy. It's a labor market characterized by short-term contracts, freelance work, and temporary positions instead of permanent jobs. This new way of working has grown significantly in recent years, thanks to technology and changing attitudes towards work. For those of us over 50, especially those in physical labor jobs, the gig economy can be a game changer. It allows us to utilize our years of experience and skills in new ways, often with more flexibility and less physical strain. Let's explore some gig economy opportunities that are particularly well suited for older workers. 1. Online tutoring. If you have expertise in a subject, consider online tutoring. 1. Platforms like VIPKid or Chegg connect you with students worldwide. 1. You can teach anything from academic subjects to professional skills, all from the comfort of your home. 2. Freelance writing or editing. If you have a way with words, there's a huge demand for content creation. 2. This could include blog writing, technical writing, or proofreading. 2. Websites like Upwork or Freelancer.com offer numerous opportunities. 3. Virtual assistant. Many businesses need help with tasks like email management, scheduling, or customer service. 3. This role allows you to use your organizational skills without physical strain. 4. Consulting. Your years of experience are invaluable. 4. Consider offering consulting services in your area of expertise. 4. LinkedIn can be a great platform to find consulting gigs. 5. Online surveys or user testing. While not full-time work, sites like User Testing or Swagbucks offer easy ways to earn extra income by providing feedback on websites or products. 6. Remote customer service. Many companies hire remote customer service representatives. 6. This could involve answering calls or managing chat support from home. 7. Transcription. If you're a good listener and fast typist, transcription work can be done from home. 7. Rev.com is a popular platform for this. 8. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating and selling online courses. 8. Platforms like Udemy allow you to share your knowledge and earn passive income. Now, let's talk about how to get started in the gig economy. 1. Assess your skills. Take some time to reflect on what you're good at and what you enjoy doing. 1. Your years of experience have given you valuable skills, identify them. 2. Create strong online profiles. Many gig economy platforms require profiles. 2. Make sure yours highlights your experience and skills effectively. 3. Start small. When you're new to a platform, it can be helpful to take on smaller jobs to build positive reviews and ratings. 4. Be patient and persistent. Building a client base in the gig economy can take time. 4. Don't get discouraged if success doesn't come immediately. 5. Consider taking online courses. If you need to brush up on certain skills or learn new ones, there are many online courses available. 6. Network. Don't underestimate the power of your existing network. 6. Let friends, former colleagues, and family know that you're available for gig work. Remember, the gig economy offers flexibility that can be particularly beneficial as we age. You can often set your hours, work from home, and choose projects that interest you. This can allow for a gradual transition into retirement or provide a way to supplement your income without the physical demands of your current job. However, it's important to be aware of the challenges, too. Gig work often doesn't come with benefits like health insurance or paid time off. You'll need to manage your taxes and possibly set up a retirement account if you're self-employed. It's crucial to factor these considerations into your planning. Despite these challenges, many older workers find that the benefits of gig work, flexibility, the ability to leverage their experience, and the opportunity to try new things, far outweigh the drawbacks. In conclusion, the gig economy offers exciting opportunities for workers over 50, especially those looking to transition from physically demanding jobs. It allows you to leverage your years of experience, work flexibly, and potentially ease into retirement on your terms. Remember, it's never too late to try something new. Your years of experience are a valuable asset in the gig economy. Start exploring these opportunities today and open up a world of possibilities. Thank you for watching. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more content on navigating work and life after 50. Do you have experience with gig work? Share your stories in the comments below. Until next time, here's to new opportunities and continued growth at any age.